Welcome to FastKlean. Our world is in danger. The situation is dire. Everything that we know and love is at risk. Our health, our families, our way of life. As one of London's first choice providers of domestic and commercial cleaning services, we feel that it's our duty to do everything that we can to help. This is why we have chosen to promote green living and sustainability. We actively working to limit the impact of our services on the environment, decrease our carbon footprint, introduce innovative green cleaning techniques, protect the health of cleaners and clients. But we can't do it alone. We need your help. Join us in our fight against pollution and make the greener choice today. Only together we can save the world. To help you in your journey, we have prepared a comprehensive list of resources. Visit our website for a list of great green living products, sustainability books, innovative training courses, and till next time, stay green and clean.